Yan yung aking radish. O, silipin niya siya. Mataba na siya. Sorry. Inano siya, binody shame ko siya. Hi. I want to just give you a quick update / tour of what's happening to R&D Garden. So, nalinis ko na yung veranda. Nakalock na yung room pero maayos na rin yung bedroom. So, the patio is here. Okay, meron na siyang mga stone steps. Okay, and there's the planter box. May mga oregano na siya dun sa other side. And then, we're just supposed to put wire mesh doon sa dalawang posts. And I'm actually talking to people who are selling grapes. So, maybe I'll try it if it works. There's another planter box there. There's some mga shrubs and yung mga hindi masyadong crawlers or malalaki. So, I haven't decided yet, but I'll put there. Okay? So, this is a coral tree na pag lumaki, maganda yung flowers. Kulay pula. Okay? Tapos, ito, this is the miracle berry or miracle fruit. Okay? It's supposed to mess up with your taste buds and make everything sweet. Okay? And then, yun yung mga anong tawag dito? Jasmines. Okay? And here, yun yung mga ilaw-ilaw ni Mami. Okay? So, these are my pandanus. Okay? And that is your violet. Hindi ko pala napakita. So, meron ako ditong mga coleus or mayana. And I have different types of hybrid and regular type of gumamela or hibiscus. Okay, tapos, syempre, as you saw earlier, yung pathway, it's been lined up with purple hearts. Meron din ako ditong tea leaves or tea plant. Of course, yun yung aking mga kalamansi. There's a little lime over there. These two are my lemons. Bigay sa akin ng aking friend. Okay, and more tea leaves or tea plants. This is my copper leaf or acalifa. Yun naman yung aking medyo medium size na plot. Okay, so that is my pechay, some of my arugula, and yung nag-iisa ko na kale. Kuneho ka, hindi ka tumubo. These are carrots. Okay, so medyo matagal pa yan. And these things that look like weeds to you are onions. Ito yung aking mga radish. Teka nga, nagpapahirap ako. Pwede ka naman siyang ibaliktad, diba? Hold on, let me figure this out. Hindi siya nag-bumilat tumatalipod. So anyway, yan yung aking radish. O, silipin niya siya. Mataba na siya. Sorry, inano siya, binody shame ko siya. So it's already healthy. Well, I think it's ready for the picking. So maybe just before New Year or right about New Year, I'll pick it. Here are some more arugulas na hindi siya nauubusan talaga ng leaves kahit ilang beses ko siyang binabawasan. Here are some more of my transplanted carrots. Nilipat ko siya sa medyo sandy na lupa. Okay, so this is this tree is actually a mulberry tree. Okay, tapos mayroon pa yung kapatid dito na baby pa lang. Okay, and that is my kamyas. Tapos ginagraft ko siya. Ayan. So hopefully meron na siyang roots by next week so that I can plant it beside it para meron siyang kapatid. So these are my two maaarting vegetable plots kasi meron siyang tipi. Yan, na merong may net. Okay, so they haven't put yet yung mga tanse, okay, so that there will be a structure that they can climb to. So meron akong napakaraming tomatoes. So I have small tomatoes and I already have huge tomatoes. 4 na sila. This is my eggplant. Okay, eggplant. And then ito mga sili. So siling labuyo and siling panigang. More pechay. Oh my god, I think I have like a little over 60 pechay plants. So mapupurga yata kami sa pechay. Nga! Di ba, masarap naman siya. Okay? And in this other plot, yun no, nakikita nyo ba yun? Nagtanim kami ng potato na like your potatoes, they start growing those eyes. Okay? So, parang pinya lang, diba? So, pinutol ko yung mga yan, tapos tinanim ko siya all over. I think I planted around maybe 8. Okay, so far I've only seen 2. Okay, so these are more ampalaya. Okay, this is sayote, and these 4 are your sigarilyas. Okay, so I put it there by the edge of the plot kasi nga mga crawlers yung mga yan. Okay, and then ito pa yung mga iba pang mga tomatoes, and then these are bok choy, as if having 50 plus pechay was not enough. Tapos nagtanim na din ako ulit ng romaine. Ganito actually yun, if you can see it, there. Meron akong baby na romaine Mia, so pula. Okay, so wala pa, I'm waiting for it to grow. Okay, tapos balik tayo dun sa pathway. These are my gardenias. So puti ang kulay niyan, gardenia. And these are ano ang tawag dito, o basta sila, ang tawag nila dito sa Tagalog parang San Francisco. Okay, and variants of San Francisco. Okay. Maaalala ko din yan kung anong tawag dyan. And syempre, nandito sa may opening near the gate is my mom's welcome plants. Okay, ang tawag dyan mga tao ay Zanzibar or Zanzibar plant. Okay, so sinasabi nila malas daw to, and I'm like, bakit nagna-welcome plant kung malas? Never. Okay, and etong inside of my bakod, you can see may mga, yun yung mga trimmings namin dati ng kamote. You know, like when we're making sinigang, tapos we don't really use everything. So ito yung pinagsasaksak siya dyan. So ayun na siya. Tada! Oh, ready na ako mag-harvest for kamote, diba? Kamote ka. Tapos, this is sweet pea. I think ang Tagalog ng sweet pea ay sicharo. Yeah, so ito yan, no? And this is patola. Actually, halo-halo, labo-labo na sila kasi pinaghihiwa-hiwalay ko. So, this is kamote. Meron pang isang natirang sigarilyas. Okay, kamote. This is your chicharo. This is ampalaya. Tapos look at this, may ampalaya and may patola. So, tingnan mo itong patola na yan kung nasa na siya. Ayan. Isa siyang ambisyosang, mataasang pangarap na ampalaya. Na patola. Pinatulan niya talaga ako. So, dahil hindi siya ganun kalapit or it's not directly attached to the fence, to the bakod, I actually trained it. Okay? So, nilagyan ko siya ng kawayan, tapos I had to put twisties, and then ginaguide ko siya. So every day minumove ko siya, tapos yung mga vines tingi niya kinakabit ko to either to the barbed wire or to something else para nga matrain ko siya na gumapang. So ayan na siya ngayon. Okay, gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, gumapang ka sa lupa. So ayun, yun lang so far. And then I still have of course my bananas na malapit ko nang patayin, yung mga nasa gitna. Okay, tapos meron ako dito, ayun o, kita nyo ba yun? So meron akong, that's the very last of my saging na latundan. Actually latundang puti, my mom calls it Gloria, ang arroyo. So hinihintay ko lang siya na yun, tumaba. Aba ako Neo, may humahabol. So there's another one pala, ayun o, nakikita nyo ba siya? Ayan. Yan. Okay, so medyo patatabain muna natin yan. Tapos, kasi terminal kind of fruit yan. So mamamatay din yan eventually. So pagka na-harvest na natin, we'll kill it. Okay, outside nito, so syempre meron akong, this is a motion sensor light. Okay, so tonight, hopefully it will activate. Okay, and as you can see, these are cosmos plants. Walang flowers yung dito sa right side eh. Okay, and these are my bougainvillea na plants. Okay, ito yung flower ng cosmos. Yan, ganyan siya. Okay, so self self-seeding, self-germinating, self-pollinating. Okay, so medyo mababa lang ang how do you call it? Medyo low maintenance lang siya. O yun. So ayan, naalala ko na yung pangalan ng San Francisco. Balikan natin siya. Mabuti kasi yung sinasabi, tinatawag mo siya by its name. So ayan ay crotons. Okay. Hindi po yun yung nilalagay sa salad. O yun. So that is my... Ay teka, sandali. Meron pa pala. So itong aking kubo ay meron siyang half T-piece. Okay, doon sa harapan. So ito ang tinatawag natin na Decidia. Okay, kaya lang ang tawag namin dyan ay manaog ka bayag. Kasi meron siyang sacks. Ayun o, meron siyang sacks na kailangan ko pa bang explain kung bakit ko tinawag na manaog ka bayag. So parang siyang male version ng isang manaog ka irog. Okay, so ito naman yun, yung manaog ka irog. Ito naman yun, yan. Okay, so Decidia. Ano ko, sana tama yung mga pinagsasabi ko. And then, this one, you can see, ito yung matangkad na nasa gilid ng aking kubo. This, those, and bordering my jasmines. Okay, that is actually, those are actually mosquito plants, or in Tagalog, Malvarosa. Okay, so, yun, hindi naman siya talaga nakaka-ward off ng mosquito. Siya at saka yung citronella that I put in the fence, on the fence. Pero, wala, gusto ko bakit ba ang problema? Okay, and this is the greenhouse for the ornamentals. So, hindi pa siya finished. Okay, may 2 racks na kailangan namin punuin ng mga halaman. I think baka maging 3 racks pa siya. So, I'll have to consult with my landscape artist. Na talaga namang artist. Okay, so napaganda niya ng bonggang-bongga ang aking R&B farm. Okay, so yan. And that is a not so quickie tour of ano yung pinagkakaabalahan ko dito sa aming probinsya. Okay, and I hope all of you are safe, you are loved, you are happy, okay, and most importantly, you are doing what you love most. Okay, so from here in our NB garden in Orion, Bataan, this is VJ Bentong. Happy New Year! If you like this video, please click like, share it on your social media, and if you haven't yet, click subscribe and that bell.